Okay, question 1. So, first of all, remember this is in the form ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d equals 0. And some fundamental information from that. If you do alpha plus beta plus gamma, that's the same as saying minus b over a. That's the sum of the individual roots. The sum of the product of the roots, so the pairs, which is often written as sum of alpha beta, but it actually means alpha beta, alpha gamma, and beta gamma, is given by c over a. And the product of the roots, so alpha beta gamma, is given by minus d over a. So looking at these things, minus b over a, in this case, is minus a over 1, which is 8. C over a is 28 over 1, which is 28. And minus d over a is minus 32 over 1, which is 32. So before we even start doing the question, you see roots, you see alpha, beta, gamma, you get this information out. And then you need to construct these terms and hopefully get them in this form. So the first one is 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta plus 1 over gamma. So let's add those together. So if we do 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta, that's the same as alpha plus beta over alpha beta. And then if we add on 1 over gamma, we get a times up, so we're going to get alpha gamma plus beta gamma from that, and then plus alpha beta from this multiplying up here, and the denominator is going to be alpha beta gamma. So it's the sum of pairs of roots multiplied by the product of roots, which is the same as saying 28 divided by 32, which is the same as 7 over 8. The second one, alpha plus 2, beta plus 2, gamma plus 2, you can expand all that out, and you can get, if I do that down here, so I'll do the first two together, so let's do alpha plus 2 times beta plus 2, which will give me alpha beta plus 2 alpha plus 2 beta plus 4. And then we expand all of that by the third one, so this is not mathematically correct because I'm multiplying by another one, the gamma plus 2, so I'm now going to multiply this lot by gamma plus 2, and that will give me, so alpha beta gamma, which is good because we've already got that, then plus 2 alpha beta, then we've got plus 4 alpha gamma, plus 4 alpha, plus 2 beta gamma, plus 4 beta, and finally plus 4 gamma plus 8. And if we group those terms together, we already know what that is. So we've got a 2 alpha beta here, a 2 beta gamma here, and there should be another one somewhere. Hold on. This one here, isn't it? So this was 2 alpha times gamma, so this was a 2 alpha gamma. Sorry, it took me a while to find that one. So they're all in pairs, so that's the same as alpha beta gamma, 2 lots of the alpha beta plus the alpha gamma plus the beta gamma, which is the same as 2 times the sum of alpha beta, which we already know what that is, so we know that one as well. And what we're left with is 4 lots of the single terms of alpha plus beta plus gamma, and then we know what that is, we've got the plus 8 as well. So alpha beta gamma was 32, 2 times the sum of alpha beta is 56, alpha beta gamma was 8, so 4 times 8 is 32, and finally plus 8. So when you add those together, 32 plus 56 plus 32 plus 8, we get 128. Okay, and the last one, alpha squared plus beta squared plus gamma squared, well that's that can be constructed by squaring alpha plus beta plus gamma. So I'm going to do that on another page. Here we go. So if we square alpha plus beta plus gamma squared, we'll get quite a few terms, one of which will be what we want, and we already know what this is. So we're going to expand this out, and that will give us alpha beta plus gamma. We're going to get, I'll write it as 2 brackets. So we get alpha squared plus alpha beta plus alpha gamma, and then beta alpha plus beta squared plus beta gamma, and finally plus gamma alpha plus gamma beta plus gamma squared, which, if we reorder it, is alpha squared plus beta squared plus gamma squared. And we've got an alpha beta here and an alpha beta here, so that's 2 of them. We've got an alpha gamma here and an alpha gamma here, and finally we've got a beta gamma here and a beta gamma here, so we've got 2 of each. So 2 times the sum of the pairs of roots again, so 2 times alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus beta gamma. Now, we know what this is because it was given to us for the original equation, so that was 8. So therefore 8 squared is equal to, this is what we're trying to find, plus 2 lots of, this is the sum of the pairs of roots. So this is 2 times 28. So that means that 64 is equal to what we want plus 56. So what we want, which was alpha squared plus beta squared plus gamma squared, is 64 take 56, which is 8. So alpha squared plus beta squared plus gamma squared equals 8. Okay, that's question 1.